Hello everybody and welcome back to Southeast by Midwest. I'm Cassie and today I'm going to be unboxing this Influenster VoxBox. Before we jump into the intro, I just want to let you know that this was sent to me by Influenster and I don't know if you can see it, Target is who did this one. So if you want to see what all was in here and some of my thoughts on this, just keep watching. As always, before we jump into the kind of body of everything, we always disclose here, and I already pre-disclosed, but I will do it again, in that I was sent this from Influenster, which is a place where you can kind of review products, and they send out like pre-surveys. And if you fit the demographic that they're looking for, then occasionally you can get some Vox boxes. I've gotten products from Rimmel, but then again, I've also gotten non-beauty products from them as well. It's kind of a mix and match. Some people get some really amazing products. Some people never get Vox boxes. It really is just kind of a randomness to it. I will include a link in the blog post if you want to sign up. They used to do referrals, but I don't know if they still do. But let's go on ahead and jump in. Alright, so these are the three products that came in this Influenster VoxBox. As you can see, these two kind of go together. It's the Venus Vera Bradley Comfort Glide little razor and the Pure by Venus with Vera Bradley shave cream. And then you have this little native toothpaste hanging out. I really don't understand what that's about. But that came with it. So what we're going to do is we're going to talk about this little guy first, since he has no rhyme or reason to him. And then we'll move over to the razor and the shaving cream. Alright, so this is the native detoxifying charcoal toothpaste with mint. It is fluoride free. This is the 0.85 ounce, so the travel size of this. It retails for $2.99 at Target, well, at least on their website. And they do have 1% cash back with Rakuten, which I believe is a link down in my description box, but also over on the blog as well. So basically everything you need to know about this toothpaste is everything I just said. It's fluoride free. It's got a mint flavor. They do not test on animals, but one thing that I do want to show you is this is a little scary. So I want you to be prepared before you purchase it. And it is basically, let me see if I can zoom you in. It is a charcoal toothpaste. This is the Pure by Venus Vera Bradley shave cream in honey flower. This is a big 6-ounce tube. It is hefty. It is big. This retails for $5.99 at Target. And it has shea butter in it, and it is good for all skin types. It's got like a nice, thick creaminess to it. It does have a fragrance. So for my people out there who are fragrance free, this is not going to be for you. Alright, next is the Venus Vera Bradley Comfort Glide Razor in Sugarberry. Now, I don't know about y'all, but did you remember these razors being scented before? Or is that a new thing? I do want to point out one thing. If you look right here in the bottom corner, it says one razor and 2 cartridge gel bars. When you see this online, it is listed as the Vera Bradley and Venus Comfort Glide Sugarberry Women's Razor and 2 razor refills. I feel like the listing is a little kind of false advertisement, because what happens is when you take the product out of the box, you get this little tray, which comes with your handle, and then you open this up, and it literally only has 2 in there. There's a spot for a third one, which personally, I would say that this would be 1 handle and 2 cartridge gel bars, not a razor, because I feel like if there was a third one, that would be the razor and 2 refills. But in my opinion, it's a little misleading on that listing. By the way, this retails for $12.99, this little set. Hang on, let me get you a good look at that. There's like some prettiness going on there, isn't there? So this handle, you keep this. You do not dispose of this like you would a disposable razor. After you use one of these and it gets to the point where it doesn't work anymore, you just push this little thing here and it releases it, and then you go and get another one. Which is what I want to mention. This handle can be used with the other Comfort Glide things. It does not have to be used with just this Sugarberry one. So we're going to open it up. You just peel it open like so, and it's already set up in there for you. And you just basically do that. These little bars are the Olay moisture bars, and they are flexible. So there you go. There is everything in the new Venus and Native Influencer VoxBox. Hopefully you found this video fun and informative. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with all your friends. Remember, if you're going to leave a comment, head on to the blog post link down below, as comments are turned off on the videos. Make sure, if you're going to head over there, tell me, do you remember these being scented if you've used these before? Or is this a new thing and I've just been using, you know, Veet for too long or something like that. So anyway, until next time, bye.